welcome. So today we have another hotel room tour and review for you. We just checked in to the Fort Lauderdale Cruise Port Airport property. It's 10 minutes from the airport and 10 minutes from the cruise port. Perfect location for your next cruise. We're in room 129, and this is an all-suite property, guys. So hot breakfast is included and all that good stuff. We'll get you some footage from that as well. But let's do a tour right quick, because guess what? We're tired, we're hungry, we've been up since 3 o'clock this morning. We just DoorDashed some Subway, and so we about to do this real quick. We still love y'all though, we just gotta make it quick now. So, we have a full-blown kitchen that I will not be cooking in because I'm on vacation, but it's nice to have. Big, nice, full-size refrigerator that you open from this side. Okay, the cruise port has 7 ships that came in and are going back out, so everybody's busy. Uber, hotels, everybody's mama, everybody. Nice microwave, y'all. This is huge. You can warm up your leftovers and all that good stuff. And as you guys know, the residents in properties, if you watched our other videos, they always have ample storage all over the place. You keep digging around, honey, you're gonna find your dishes. See, I told you. Didn't I tell you? You got your dishes. You're gonna find your coffee station set up, okay? And here's the coffee maker back here. They give you a scrub mommy. Remember Scrub Daddy? Okay, they done made the mommy too now. But you know I'm putting this in my suitcase, right? To take off. Oh, okay, but anyway, toaster, a two portion, like a 2-part stovetop. So the stovetop is a little bit smaller. And then, you know, keep looking around. You're going to find some dishes. You're going to find your dishwasher, utensils, of course. Okay, now wait a minute, y'all. What is, okay. They're here cutting up some chicken and steak or something. So everything that you need, guys. And of course, under here is going to be your trash can, a nice fresh roll of paper towels, and your dish liquid. So you're really, you know, almost at home here. What I love about this suite in particular is these this extra seating right here in the kitchen. That's really, really cool. You can get your stuff together and just eat right here. Love that. Here's another nook and cranny where you can put keys or just put something down your phone. Right through here, and this is a nice view because you can see your island and your lighting. You come into your little living room, your living space area. And of course, we have a pull-out. So this, you can get a few little kids or 2 adults on this pull-out. Very easy to operate. The furniture is the word modular, where you can move it around. Oh, now wait, now you can't break a nail.
Please.
So of course, I just got them done.
Yes, that cost me. Okay.
So you can move the table around, of course, and the footrest as well. And then there's more storage over here on the other side of the desk. You have a really nice sized desk. It's really nice and long. So if you need to get some work done and you just want to sit and read or write, you have plenty of space. Nice big juicy mirror. So you can see what you look like when y'all step out. And you guys know that Marriott always does they put special touches, and so they welcome you on the screen. So when you walk in, you always see the screen and they welcome you. And because of our status with them, because Marriott is our favorite hotel chain, we got, on the way in when we checked in, we got 2 waters. He gave us like this little goodie bag. After I had already, before we checked in, I had purchased a water. It cost me like $5 or $6, but that's okay. And then also in here, they gave us some snacks, educational snacks. They're sweet crackers. I don't know what makes them educational, but we'll find out. And then it's like a handful of mints in the bag too, which is nice. So this is a nice little goodie bag.
Yeah, it is.
And we will utilize all of it, I'm sure,
Of course.
on our trip. And then I'm just going to assume that the television.
Yes.
So that if you're laying in bed and you want to watch television, you can.
Yes.
If you are at the desk or the sofa bed,
Yes.
you can turn it as well.
Yep.
So you can knock yourself out with that. And then this is your standard setup, guys. Queen bed or king. It's supposed to be a king, I
It's
think.
a king bed.
King bed, lighting on either side of the bed. Okay, we'll figure that out later. But lighting on either side of the bed. Little clock there. A lot of natural light, which is nice. We're on the first floor, so we take extra security measures on the first floor. Gotta be careful. Here is a nice little nook, especially if you're staying for a while and you've got to put some things away and you want to use the, now see, now look y'all. Now we didn't do that. Okay, cousins, you're our witness. You're touring the room with us for the first time. And that's loose, right? The little shelf is loose, so be careful. But then, of course, a lot more storage. So if you're staying for a while, you can really move in and knock yourself out. Then behind us is the closet, is standard with your iron, your ironing board, your rack, etc. Extra blankets and extra pillow. And also a bag if you want to send your clothing out to be cleaned. And then we have our standard bathroom. It has everything that you need in here. It is clean. Once again, residents and properties I've noticed lately have changed their showers over to these where the door doesn't slide back and forth and it's just an opening. Makes it a lot easier for certain people maybe with mobility issues, which is cool. And it is exactly what we need for our stay. So that's the room. Let us know what you think.
One night,
room
right?
129. We're going to stay here for one night. We'll be back soon. We got a cruise and we got some other stuff coming up that we'll tell you about. So thanks for joining us, cousins. And we'll see you on the next cruise. God bless. Jesus loves you.